Besides some notable severe weather events in the southeastern U.S., it's actually been a fairly quiet March and April in regards to severe weather. But what does the rest of the spring look like? As always, there is no real way that we can exactly forecast what's going to happen, but what we can do is look at the big picture trends to give us a clue as to what things could look like. And there's no better trend to look at than ENSO, or El Niño Southern Oscillation. ENSO is the cycle of warmer than normal or cooler than normal sea surface temperatures in the eastern and central portions of the equatorial Pacific caused by a reversal of the winds. We've been in a La Niña since October, and we just got through a La Niña winter when the waters in the Pacific are cooler than normal. And that trend of La Niña looks to continue to this day.
The reason that has an impact on our climate, even remotely here in the Midwest, is because the Pacific is one of the largest sources and sinks of energy, because it's a giant body of water, and so it affects the flow of the jet stream.
With a La Niña like we have, especially when it lasts into the spring, this pushes the jet stream further to the north while also causing it to become more amplified on average. In El Niño, on the other hand, that jet stream is what we call zonal, and that's a straighter and it's actually more of a quiet pattern compared to La Niña. So we don't expect as much in the way of big-time severe weather events during an El Niño pattern.
When it comes to severe weather, pretty much throughout from the southeast U.S., from the Gulf Coast all the way up to the central Midwest, including most of the state of Illinois, we tend to see a little bit more active severe weather season during La Niña, which is the phase we're in now.
In conclusion, due to La Niña, the overall picture is that this could be a more active severe weather season than normal, but we have to wait to see how more localized events play into the trend. Hopefully, this continues to be a calm year for us across the state. Dr. Ford, though, does give us some good news in regards to fatalities.
We've gone 3 consecutive years in Illinois without having a tornado-related fatality. I would say I'd credit that to meteorologists such as yourselves, providing good warnings, good awareness from National Weather Service offices, that sort of thing. The last time we went 4 consecutive years without a tornado-related fatality in Illinois was back in the mid-90s.